Thing that nobody ever asked for, I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Dizzy with the first official video of 2025. The last video, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check it out. You'll see it up here, maybe up here, maybe right. But first official trading video of the year. Make sure you turn on notifications because there's going to be a lot of trading videos this year. I'm not playing any games. I already know what I have to do. I'm off to a really good start. I was able to make 3% today, and ultimately I want to show you guys and invite you guys to my Discord and just to my world where I'm helping a lot of you guys make money all year, using my strategy, using my trades, and using my my expertise and my knowledge. Let's get into the trade breakdown. But we have gold right here. I already see that it's selling down for the day, right? It's already had a huge drop off previously, and so I'm looking to see what it's doing, to see if it's continuing or if it's gonna reverse to the down or to the upside, or what's the deal. So go to the 1 minute. I see this institutional candle right here, and on the 2 minute, somebody's not seeing this right here, but I see this as an institutional candle, 2 minute institutional candle. I was actually watching this live and I seen it make this small little blue candle. Probably can't see it, but it's right here, and it made this movement after, and now it's retracing up here again. So I marked this as a 2 minute institutional candle, and I waited for it to come back up to it, target a downside. Let's see how it plays out. Oh my goodness, clean, just clean. Boom, to the downside, right? And let's see, came back up, retraced it again. You could get in another time if you were looking at this and knowing that this is a area of interest that the market is going to come back to and make a reaction to. If you're paying attention and know, then you can catch this. But right here, this first move I caught and I was already out. But just to show you what happens after, it actually retested again, third time. And look, it almost came above this area, but it didn't. Right above the 50%, so that's valid. And even more valid is this movement right here that is showing to the downside. But I already caught this earlier, so I was done for the day, right? And quick and easy, like we do the same thing every day. I'm somebody that's right to the point because we actually make money in like the time that we say we do. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes less than an hour. So it's not too much talking, it's just executing. So if you want to be a part of making money for free, join the Discord. It's gonna be in the bio. Join it, and I'll see you there every day. We make money. Right now, Monday and Friday is when I go live for the whole Discord. I have free trades I'm gonna be posting throughout the week, so you guys can check that and use it as signals. So it's gonna be an interesting 2025. I'm ready to make content again, and yeah, if you've been rocking with me since the early time, now's the time to get back on track. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.